Now we have a question here. Sorry, I didn't copy the whole question. The question says find the perimeter of this shape. But before you find the perimeter of a shape, what is even the perimeter of a shape? Perimeter of a shape, if this was a live class, I would have actually liked to hear a response from you. I believe as my students, you should know the perimeter of a shape and the area of a shape. Perimeter of a shape is the distance around any shape. So it's not specified because it has formula. The formula will have what we call formula for perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a square, perimeter of those ones. But those irregular shapes or the ones that looks irregular doesn't necessarily need to have a formula, but just know that it is distance around the shape. You understand? It is when it's a circumference, the distance around the outer shape. So now, what is perimeter? You are looking for the distance from here, 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 here. Very simple. The shape is actually very simple to run around. But we don't have here and we don't have here. But we can actually use this to find here and use, that if here is 4, here is 4. And if here is 18, from here to here is 18. We can use this to find here. With that said, let's solve straightly and get our question. So let's label the ones who can. If here is 4, here is what? 4. And if from here to here is 18, then from here to this place is what? 18. We are looking for here. I get what I'm saying? Let's find here. So now finding here will be cutting out something like this. We'll have 5 and here is 4. So what do you do next? To find this part, you will do your Pythagoras theorem. The longest side, let's forget whether I call it or hypotenuse or thereabout. The longest side is often the other side square plus the sum of the other side. But if they're giving you the longest side, it is always any of the side you're finding to be this is equals to the longest side square minus any other side given. So we have Pythagoras theorem, this square minus 5 square is 25 minus 4 square is what? 16. Which give you x square is equals to what? 9. Square both sides, square both sides. This cancel this. So x is equal to what? 3. So if x is equal to 3, that means here is what? 3. And now we can finally say that from here to this place will give us 3 plus 18 altogether. It will give us what? 3 plus 18 will give us what? 21. 21. So all these things is no longer necessary. We've gotten what we want, 21. So 21 centimeters. Now you can find the perimeter. The perimeter now will give us 21. Let me start from the senior. That's the longest. Plus 18. Plus 4. And remember that here is not 4. This one is inside. We are looking for the distance around the shape, not inside the shape. So plus 5 cm. So when we add this together, this will give us 9. This will give us 39. Yes. Yeah, 39. 39 plus 9 will give us 48. The answer to this question is 48 cm, not square. Perimeter is calculated without squaring any units. So this is the answer. I love you guys. Bye.